Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sentry for error reporting in React, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Sentry for error reporting in your React application, start by creating a Sentry account if you don't have one already. Log into your Sentry account and create a new project. Select JavaScript as the platform for your project. After setting up your project, you will receive a unique DSN key. Copy this DSN key as you will need it for your React application. Now, navigate to your React project directory in your terminal. Install the Sentry SDK by running the command npm install at sentry/react at sentry/tracing. Once the installation is complete, open your main application file, usually index.js or app.js. Import Sentry at the top of your file using import asterisk as Sentry from at sentry/react. Then, import the tracing module with import integrations from at sentry/tracing. Next, initialize Sentry by adding the following code: sentry.init dsn your _dsn key integrations new integrations.browser tracing traces sample rate 1.0. This configuration allows Sentry to capture any unhandled errors in your application. You can also set the traces sample rate to a lower value if you want to sample a smaller percentage of transactions. To capture errors manually, wrap your components with Sentry's error boundary. You can do this by using the following syntax: sentry.errorBoundary fallback equals p an error has occurred /p your component /sentry.errorBoundary. Now, test your setup by deliberately throwing an error in one of your components. Run your application in development mode. After the error occurs, go back to your Sentry dashboard to see if the error has been logged. If you see the error, congratulations, you've successfully activated Sentry for error reporting in your React application. Optionally, you can customize your Sentry configuration further by reviewing the Sentry documentation. This setup assists in monitoring and improving the reliability of your React application. Now you are ready to utilize Sentry for effective error reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.